Hi, I am Devanshu, and today it is day number 13th of lockdown 3.0. So, Facebook has recently rolled out Messenger rooms. Now, announcement was made about 2 weeks back. Now, it has been rolled out globally. So, now I'm going to tell you how you can create Messenger room. So let us see how does it work. So there you can see there is a no such option available on this screen. You have to go to people. Please ensure that you have updated your application. When you check out this active thing over there, you will find out there is one option of creating a room. Just click over it. Now here you can see that I have got one option to share link. So just click over share link, and now you can see there is one option to copy the link as well. So this is how it can be created. Meanwhile, I'll be creating this through desktop. So in desktop it is pretty simple. You have to simply log into your Messenger, and once you log in you will find out this plus icon, plus video icon. Just click over it and you would be able to create a room. So it will ask you how do you want to join. So let me join. Okay, so it has been created. Now there is one option of seeing participant. So you can copy the link and invite people. So let me just copy, and I'm going to connect via phone. So let me show you how does it work. Since I'll be joining a new room, and in the meantime let me mute it. So it will ask you how do you want to join. You can join as your name, and if you open it in a browser you can also join as a guest. So in that case it won't be mandatory for you. So so letting Devanshu know you are here. Okay, so it is taking some time to join. Meanwhile you can see it is a clean and simple interface. If I want to disable the video, there was one option. Let me try to join it once again. So there was some error. I'm going to join it once again, and here you can see now I have joined it. So you can see I am talking to myself with two different accounts. So there are two people right now. Let me quickly tell you what are some cool features of this application. So in application you get this option. You can use a different cool filters. So there is a one you can see. So you can choose filters over here. There are a lot of filters available that you can choose. That looks like a Deepak Kalal. Damn it. So that looks fine. I'll go with it. Rest what other features are available. So I'm going to show you these options, what options are available in desktop. So in Messenger, you can browse it, use your browser. In fact, if you are not using Messenger application on your phone, you can join via browser as well. Earlier when I was testing, I tried to connect via Chrome browser and it worked for me. Okay, so here I have got one option, that is the organizer has the option to remove a participant. So organizer can control it. Then what other options are there? You can check out settings. So not many settings are there as of now. You can end this meeting. Okay, so these are some major settings. If you want to share a screen, that can be done here. You can see, so this is pretty much similar to what Google Meet offers, or many other many other applications, sorry, offers. So this is a pretty interesting move. Since Messenger is a social media, application, whereas people have lately started using Zoom or other platform as a social media to connect with the friends, family, etc. So it's a late move by Facebook, but hopefully they'll be rolling out few updates. So there are options available to recipient. They can view as a profile, message, etc. So this is like pretty simple to use. Now let me quickly show you how I can create a meeting and I can join anonymously, like without having a Facebook account. So let me close this one. So I'm going to start new one. Process remains same. Just this is the Devanshu's room, and it is asking you what name I want to enter. So I want to add DD. Okay, done. And within a while it will join. So it's asked for permission. Just allow it, and boom, we are good to go. Right? So isn't it pretty simple? So it is a simple and a clean platform. However, Facebook is likely to introduce a few features. In fact, they should. In fact, chat should have been there, uh, which when multiple people are there, not all the people are comfortable, or not all the people can talk on calls all the time. Okay, so that's all in this quick video. I'm signing off. Bye bye, take care.